everyone, join us again as we continue our New Zealand family vlog series. We are having so much fun, adventures on both the North and the South Island. Today's episode, Tina and I drive from Queenstown, New Zealand, all the way over to Furla National Park. Wow, what a day we had. Join us. So this has to be the most beautiful place on planet Earth. Good morning.
Good morning.
Whew. Fresh morning. Or they say fresh here, right? I think it is. I was going to say crisp.
It's fresh.
All right, so we've already been on the road for 2 hours. We're at Tina now, right before we head up towards Milford Sound. And so this vlog, we're going to be exploring. And so there might be some snow showers I saw on the forecast, but the road is clear, so we're good. It's already stunning this morning. We got our coffee, energy, snacks. Let's do this. We rented a car the day before in Queenstown, which is very easy to do, but you are going to need transportation from Queenstown over to Furla National Park. During the winter, there is not a whole lot of daylight, so we made the most. We were up before sunrise that morning. Another thing, especially during the winter, check on road conditions before you head out. Furla National Park. Sign right there. Made it.
We made it.
Let's go.
Beautiful.
Oh my word.
Water.
There's another view.
And there's more.
So we've stopped at the Mirror Lakes. And y'all, I can't tell you how blown away I am of this beauty. Look at that. You gotta be kidding me. Absolutely all around just gorgeous. The roads we drove that day are some of the most beautiful roads we've ever driven on, and we've even been to Glacier National Park in Montana, USA.
This is amazing.
Every corner, it just
gets better and better.
It's wild.
Waiting to go through the tunnel, so we're just having a look at the views all around us. I mean, good night.
So we've just stopped here before going into the tunnel. It's going to be about a 5-minute wait. There's a light that's, I guess it's one way, but every minute of this, every second of this trip has been worth it. It is absolutely stunning. They also have a clock up there. It says 4 minutes expected wait and going, ticking down.
Perfect window. Going into the tunnel, see how long it takes.
know how well the weather would cooperate with us today because it does rain a lot, but it was absolutely stunning, which you'll see later in the vlog.
Okay, we've made it. Took us about 4.5 hours. We did stop for breakfast and a coffee in the bathroom, but we didn't like eat our food there. We got it and kept going, and so we allowed ourselves 5 hours. So I would recommend also allowing yourself 5 hours. Don't do 4 hours. Some people say 4 hours. I don't feel like that's enough time. They ask you to be there 30 minutes before. I think that allows for you to use the restroom and walk. It's about a 15-minute walk from the car park to the ferry terminal. So we are going to be exactly right on time. We left at 6 o'clock this morning and our cruise is at 11. Like I said, I don't think 4 hours is not enough time. You need to allow 5. We've made it to the ferry terminal. Kia ora. There she is.
Here's our ride for the next 2 hours.
Yeah,
Yep.
2 hours.
It's gonna be good. It's a beautiful day. It's clearing out. Still waterfalls everywhere. This place doesn't even feel real. I'm not exaggerating.
It's like a postcard everywhere you look.
It's insane.
Thank you.
Thank you. First one's on. How did we get that?
Hi. Good morning. Yeah, of course. Of course.
There were several different cruise companies that went out from here. We really enjoyed our time with this cruise company. Mitre Peak is recognizable because it is one of the most photographed mountains on the planet.
Wow. The hanging garden. There's no topsoil, they're just hanging onto the rock. It is slow-mo. Oh, we're getting wet. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Three temporary waterfalls. Only come out when it rains. Get some splash.
The wind.
We were passing on 13 trips of different fjords. We were past one every hour, double. What was that? Just a reminder to hold on to those handrails for this.
Time for a hot drink. We got this. Ooh, it's a little choppy right now.
For around 2 to 3 minutes on average, but the longest reward dive is around 12 minutes. They hunt on all sorts of fish, but their favourite by far is squid and octopus.
See its tail?
Yeah.
Had to take some Dramamine. It was getting
was
a
pretty
bit
crazy.
choppy there at the Tasman Sea. You feel it?
Yeah, I can. Feel the wind.
You feel a bit
They
of
say that if the mist touches you, you lose like
10 years.
10 years, like
Yeah.
younger.
Well,
So,
okay, I felt it.
Furla National Park has an area of 12,600 square kilometers, and you can find various biomes all in the same place. It's so beautiful. That cruise was absolutely amazing and a must. If you're coming to New Zealand, you've got to get down to Queenstown. Take the 4 to 5 hour drive over here, take a bus, whatever you need to do to get here. It is so worth it. This has to be the most beautiful place on planet Earth, at least that I've experienced. Not many days like this, but we got a good one. Woo! Clear. It actually feels pretty good though, cool. You can feel the sunshine. A lot of waterfalls because it rained in the last couple nights. This place, heaven on earth, I'm telling you. You gotta come check this place out. Sorry. No, you're good. I was just getting the airplane. Now that we've gone on our cruise and it was like we were kind of set on a time, we're gonna make our way back through the Furla National Park and just take time to take some footage. Stunning. So the native Kia birds are all over the place up here, and you do have to be careful of them because they will tear your car apart. Don't leave the windows down because they will get your interior as well. We're gonna check out the chasm. I'm not sure if it's a far walk or anything.
20 minutes return.
Okay.
That's not bad.
We have time? Yeah.
We are in a rainforest. You can hear the babbling brook, the chewy birds, the waterfalls. Oh, I could just spend a whole day right here.
Like, so everything's perfect.
We are on a movie set, or
It's like everything is exactly, I mean, it just perfect. It goes down in there, but we can't see it. But man, power. You can hear it rushing.
moss. So beautiful. Look at all the waterfalls. My goodness, they're everywhere.
There's too many to count. I can pull over right here. We're heading back to Tiano, but almost up to the bridge. But looking back over here, that view is incredible. But check this view out here too. We can't count all the waterfalls. This is just unbelievable. The sun came out today, and so it is melting a lot more than what it was this morning.
This little trickle of water. Woo! Just listen. All the waterfall sound.
Look at the rainbow.
That is amazing. Wow. Name is Frodo.
This looks like a scene from Lord of the Rings. All bogged down.
But look at this.
Okay.
How about camping here?
I know.
Waking up to this
You
view.
can camp here.
We need to do that.
Maybe next time. Views everywhere. Oh, it is. Let's go look. Just I'm gonna go check this field mouse. Catching up. Oh, it went in the hole. No. He's going for it. It's cold. This is one of the places that I've always wanted to come because I've seen it on so many videos. It's just so flat, and then the mountains are absolutely gorgeous. It's just a great place to take a photo.
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful end to a beautiful day.
Oh yeah. By the time we got all the way back to Queenstown, the sun had already set, but what an incredible day. We couldn't help but stop and count our blessings and enjoy God's beautiful creation. Join us on our last episode of our New Zealand vlog series. We have had so much fun. We finish off in the Auckland, New Zealand area. We have a lot of fun and we want to share our experiences with you. If you hadn't seen our series, we'll put the links in there now. Thank you again for watching. Hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. See you next time.